Question 1. What is AWS API Gateway? The correct answer is B, Managed API Service. Question 2. Which API types does API Gateway support? The correct answer is C, REST, HTTP, WebSocket. Question 3. What is a REST API and API Gateway? The correct answer is B, RESTful API with full features. Question 4. What is an HTTP API? The correct answer is B, lower cost, simpler REST API. Question 5. What is a WebSocket API? The correct answer is B, two-way communication API. Question 6. What is an API Gateway stage? The correct answer is B, deployment environment. Question 7. What is an API Gateway resource? The correct answer is B, URL path in API. Question 8. What is an API Gateway method? The correct answer is B, HTTP verb for resource. Question 9. Which integration types does API Gateway support? The correct answer is C, Lambda, HTTP, AWS services, MOD. Question 10. What is Lambda proxy integration? The correct answer is B, pass entire request to Lambda. Question 11. What is request validation? The correct answer is B, validate request before backend. Question 12. What is API Gateway caching? The correct answer is B, response caching. Question 13. What is the default cache TTL? The correct answer is B, 300 seconds. Question 14. What is throttling an API Gateway? The correct answer is B, rate limiting. Question 15. What is the default throttle limit? The correct answer is C, 10,000 RPS. Question 16. What is a usage plan? The correct answer is B, API key quota and throttle. Question 17. What is an API key? The correct answer is B, identifier for usage plan. Question 18. What is a Lambda authorizer? The correct answer is B, custom authorization logic. Question 19. What is a Cognito authorizer? The correct answer is B, user pool authorization. Question 20. What is IAM authorization? The correct answer is B, AWS SIG-4 authentication. Question 21. What is request transformation? The correct answer is B, modify request/response. Question 22. What is VTL and API Gateway? The correct answer is B, Velocity Template Language. Question 23. What is curse? The correct answer is B, cross-origin resource sharing. Question 24. What is API Gateway endpoint type? The correct answer is C, regional, edge, private. Question 25. What is an edge-optimized endpoint? The correct answer is B, CloudFront distribution. Question 26. What is a private endpoint? The correct answer is B, VPC only access. Question 27. What is a custom domain name? The correct answer is B, user-defined domain. Question 28. Which certificate is required for custom domain? The correct answer is B, ACM certificate. Question 29. What is base path mapping? The correct answer is B, map domain to stage. Question 30. What is API Gateway logging? The correct answer is B, CloudWatch logs integration. Question 31. What is execution logging? The correct answer is B, detailed request/response logs. Question 32. What is access logging? The correct answer is B, who accessed API. Question 33. What is API Gateway metrics? The correct answer is B, CloudWatch metrics. Question 34. What is the maximum timeout for API Gateway? The correct answer is B, 29 seconds. Question 35. What is the maximum payload size? The correct answer is C, 10 megabytes. Question 36. What is a mock integration? The correct answer is B, return response without backend. Question 37. What is Canary deployment? The correct answer is B, gradual traffic shift. Question 38. What is stage variables? The correct answer is B, configuration per stage. Question 39. What is request/response model? The correct answer is B, JSON schema for validation. Question 40. What is binary media type? The correct answer is B, support for binary content. Question 41. What is API Gateway pricing based on? The correct answer is B, API calls and data transfer. Question 42. What is AWS Service Integration? The correct answer is B, direct AWS service access. Question 43. What is API Gateway Resource Policy? The correct answer is B, control API access. Question 44. What is mutual TLS? The correct answer is B, two-way certificate auth. Question 45. What is API Gateway Import/Export? The correct answer is B, Open API/Swagger support. Question 46. What is Request Validator? The correct answer is B, Validate Body/Parameters. Question 47. What is Gateway Response? The correct answer is B, Customize error responses. Question 48. What is API Gateway SDK generation? The correct answer is B, auto-generate client SDKs. Question 49. What is WebSocket route? The correct answer is B, message routing key. Question 50. What is API Gateway Data Mapping? The correct answer is B, transform data format. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.